Zionites, some of us will be Zionites, will go dey careful the way we dey call out Father Mbaka if small thing happen in Zion. We really need to be careful. This is a truth that is meant to be said. The Zion ministry is doing crusade in Enugu, and something happened at the stadium. The stadium was locked, and after it was opened and the crusade held, some people were now pushing narrative that it was Reverend Father Mbaka that locked it, or it was him that orchestrated it somewhere. Calling Elijah Enugu. We know when you mention Elijah Enugu, we know saying Father Mbaka you talk about. Now listen, wisdom is profitable to direct. If what these people are doing is a music world, Father Mbaka will be legend. Father Mbaka will be a great legend if not for entertainment world. Mbaka don't they do adoration even when we were small, very small. And he has been active till today. It is not by his making or by your making. Now God positioned that man. If in the get issue with Ejike Mbaka and Obi, make them too sort them. Them be prophet of God, them be men of God. Nothing concerns you. No be small thing you don't position, carry camera, Elijah Enugu, shame don't catch you. Whereas that man, people say in the house, nothing concern him. Moku the reason well, no be you Oden Mbaka, and no be you call Prophet Ebuka Obi. When you go to bash all these men of God, you go there careful, you go there very careful, make you know use your hand, bring damnation, bring cost to your head. You get one when you go talk finish, you go enter problem where you don't know. Mbaka, the level where that man dey, no matter anybody can make mistake, people they make mistake. If you prophesy, it no go happen. Prophecies, not be all prophecies where prophets talk, they happen. He has his own flaws, but let us respect that oil upon his head. Not be you ordain him father, not be you call him, and you are not even sure whether na him do that thing for Enugu. Zion, some of people that don't push that now. Mbaka this, Elijah Enugu this, Elijah Enugu that. For me, for what I know, Mbaka no fit do that kind of thing. In the way he had for something when don't pass. Now today begin do crusade. Now today begin host crowd. Which crowd when Mbaka never host? Which crowd when never see? Make una dey respect that man na full-time OG for this ministry something. Na OG. Person not go just wake up because he have platform, because you can talk. Have you seen anybody accuse Mbaka for Zion ministry official pages? Have you seen Ebuka Obi mention Mbaka with his mouth? Even if at the end of the day he comes still be saying Mbaka do this, you will not see Evangelist Ebuka Obi mention Mbaka with his mouth, because he know say capacity there. That man na OG. You see Mbaka na legend for this field. Make una know they talk to them anyhow. I know why I'm saying this, because no be you call him. Na Reverend Father make you know his hand. You whether some of people when they talk this thing didn't even go to Enugu, they don't even go crusade. Now for social media, all of us they watch the thing. When I don't take and they push narrative, I beg I don't follow for that one. My own be say I like Mbaka, I like Ebuka Obi. Anyone when they do something, if I wish I go physically, if I wish I watch them online. I'm a Zionite does not mean say I go come and begin to talk down on person that I'm not even sure. Something why I don't see. The person calls social media drag Ebuka Obi. If you feel like replying that person, I reply you, give you water. But not someone you did not see in the picture, because Mbaka is from Enugu and something happened in Enugu. When I don't calculate them, don't they use style say na him want disrupt the crusade. My people, wisdom is profitable to direct. Make we dey think well, make we no carry the talk. Not because you be Zionite, because you dey support Zion, because you be blogger, you dey go Zion, make you begin talk anyhow. Which get required that is tomorrow. No be you call these people. Now God call them. God has a way of fighting for them. Uche go.